Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Here's how to get followers on Threads. Now, you might have just downloaded and installed the Threads app and you might want a bunch of followers or to kickstart your following so that you can basically build an audience on there. I'll show you some options on how they can do that. So, first, let's hop into the Threads app. And the first and easiest thing that you can do is tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Now at the top left where it says followers, let's tap on that. And then let's go over to following. And you can see at the very top, see others you're following on Instagram. So I can hit this see all button and you can see I've followed all of them. But basically, what this will do is it will take everybody from Instagram, every account that you're following on Instagram, and follow them on Threads as well. This will give a notification to that other person that you follow them on Threads, and it's kind of the follow for follow. If you follow them, then they're gonna more likely to turn around and follow you as well. Of course, as long as they're not some big celebrities, something like that. Now, at the top right, you can see pending here as well. These are all of the accounts that I followed but haven't signed up for Threads just yet. So just go through all this step and follow as many people as you can from your Instagram app. Now, the other things you can do is, of course, just start posting good threads so you can tap on the pen and paper icon and you can start typing in your various threads. So type in your comments, your thoughts, post pictures, anything relatable, and then of course you can go back and hit home and start engaging with other people's thread. It's actually a pretty normal way on social media to build a big influence and following, which is just to use it a lot. So engage with people, talk, comment on these different things, hit replies, like all this stuff. So go through here and engage as much as possible and post really great content. And you'll over time build a huge following. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how we get followers on the Threads app.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.